Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing and first impressions video to share with you guys. As per usual, I'm not sure what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there is of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, go ahead and do our usual. Go ahead and tear into the box real quick. I'd like to remind newcomers that this is just a first impressions video, and the full review will come a few weeks down the road. Okay, packing material, thank you. What do we have here? We have a Civivi. Let me check the name on the box here. Oh, this I think is from the Pass Around group. Maybe, or maybe it isn't. Let's find out here. Yeah. Oh, I've been excited for this one. This is the big, what is the name of this? Mastodon. There we go. The Mastodon Black Course G10 handle. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Stainless steel liner, Stonewash 9TR18 MOV. This knife I will absolutely link right down in the description. These are not expensive knives at all for anybody unfamiliar with Civivi knives. They make excellent, excellent budget knives. Bang for your buck is peaked out on Civivi. Generally speaking, you know, they always use great materials for the price range. They've got good action, right? What we expect. People like me who are snobs, who've handled stuff that costs a lot more money. We have certain, you know, things we look for in different price ranges. And Civivi usually nails it. This is really cool. This is appealing just because it is a big folding meat cleaver, essentially, right? Do we need folding meat cleavers? I'm not really sure. I'm sure glad they exist, though. As per usual, Civivi's, I really like the tumbling on this. That's awesome. Civivi's D10, I can tell you right off the bat, is excellent, but it is certainly being assisted by the fact that we have a massive cleaver-style blade. Lots of weight being carried way out here to the tip. And nice and thin behind the edge, too. That is great. If you're big into these style blades, I'm always attracted to blades like this, even though I don't find them, you know, the most appropriate for EDC. I don't find them the most convenient, right? Certainly something to point out is that the carry profile is going to be really tall right here, right? So it's going to be a little bit of a pocket hog. But if you can legally carry knives of this size and you're just into the novelty of it, then yeah, this is certainly going to be, I mean, considering the thinness behind the edge, right, and the style of blade is going to make it a little more durable out of the tip versus something like a clip point or a drop point, then yeah, this is really, really cool. And the best thing is, like I said, they're not super expensive. So I will link this guy down in the description. I will link Civivi knives in general down in the description if you want to see what they've got going on, if you've never experienced them. Yeah, highly recommendable. Lots of Civivi knives on this channel. Very, very cool. Very, very interesting. I'm looking forward to sitting around and playing with this guy for sure. Trying to give you guys a full view all the way around. Man, that blade is very attractive. Very, very cool. All right, guys. I think that's all I can say. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.